Unlock the realms of manifestation with the electrifying wisdom of Tesla's 369 technique. Embark on a transformative journey as we delve into the secrets of creation and manifestation. What is the 369 manifestation method? The 369 manifestation method is based on a theory by Nikola Tesla, a Serbian-American inventor who is known for creating the remote control and discovering radio waves. Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6 and 9 were divine numbers, and had spiritual significance in terms of the nature of the universe and how humans live. The 369 method works in tandem with the law of attraction and numerology. This technique is used very widely for beginners. The 369 method works by repeating your chosen affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon and 9 times before you go to bed. This works because it means your brain receives positive messages as soon as you wake up. You then repeat this in the middle of the day when your brain is at its most productive, and complete it at night as you are coming into rest, and your subconscious mind will start becoming more active. Some variations of the method suggest repeating this for 21 days. The method is believed to tap into the so-called vibrational frequency of the universe and align your thoughts with your desires. This concept draws inspiration from various sources, including the law of attraction and New Age spirituality. How can I use the 369 manifestation method? It works by repeating positive affirmations in a sequence that your brain recognizes in order to replace negative thought spirals. Your affirmation should be something that you want, across any area of your life, whether that's health, relationships or money. It can be as open-ended or as specific as you want, depending on what your goal is. Key to achieve is that it is a strong statement in a positive tone. Manifestations traditionally begin with, I have, but if that phrasing doesn't sit right with you at first, you can start your manifestation with, I want, like a traditional goal, life coach expert says. He suggests that you set a date, maybe a month or 2 after you have started using the 369 manifestation method, in which you change the phrasing to, I have, when you feel more confident with manifesting and the concept of reaching your goals more generally. For example, your affirmation might begin as, I want to find more happiness in life, and develop to, I have happiness in my life. You can say the manifestations in your head or out loud, but life coach expert suggests writing them down in a journal too. When you see the words written down, it connects your brain to your physical reality. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then please do not forget to like and share. Your likes give me the motivation to make more such videos. Target for this video is 1000 likes. Also please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you get a notification of our video upload. Thank you. Wish you bright years ahead.